Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong another point of view ni Attorney Regal Oliva. Title niya dito is Kung Matibag Mo ang Kredibilidad ni Matibag. So, diniscuss niya is Matibag a credible witness? In-explain niya dito. Pakinggan natin siya.
NBI Director Melvin Matibag took the witness stand in the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. But before we even weigh his testimony, there is a more fundamental question that deserves an answer. Can he truly be regarded as an impartial witness? Una, ang kanyang asawa ay isa sa mga lumagda sa articles of impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Hindi ito automatic disqualification. Walang batas na nagsasabing bawal siya tumistigo. But the law has never been satisfied with mere technical compliance. Justice demands not only actual impartiality, but the appearance of impartiality. Then came another concern, his personal knowledge. During cross-examination, Defense Counsel Attorney Mark Binluan repeatedly established that Director Matibag was not yet the NBI director when the alleged grave threats were supposedly made. Much of what he testified to was based on investigation reports prepared by his subordinates and information gathered by the NBI, not on events he personally witnessed. And that distinction matters.
Yes.
Under the rules on evidence, a witness ordinarily testifies to facts of which he has personal knowledge. If a witness merely repeats what others told him or what appears in reports prepared by others, the weight of the testimony naturally becomes a legitimate subject of challenge. Whether particular portions fall within recognized exceptions is ultimately for the impeachment court to determine. But one thing is undeniable. Personal knowledge and second-hand information are not the same. Pangalawa, Director Matibag now heads the very agency that has figured prominently in a series of actions involving members of this impeachment court. The NBI investigated and pursued cases that led to the prosecution of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. It also pursued cases involving Senator Judge Rodante Marcoleta. Ngayon naman, the NBI has opened an investigation involving Senator Judge Alan Peter Cayetano in relation to the 2019 Southeast Asian Games, an issue that according to Cayetano and his camp had already undergone COA audit and previous government scrutiny. Hindi rin ito nangyari in isolation. During the tense events inside the Senate involving Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, the NBI was likewise among the law enforcement agencies visibly involved. Whether each of these actions was legally justified is a separate question. But taken together, they inevitably raise a legitimate issue on perception. Today, Senator Jinggoy Estrada is detained. Senator Judge Rodante Marcoleta is detained. Senator Bato de la Rosa is absent. Senator Judge Alan Peter Cayetano is now under NBI investigation. And the head of that same agency now stands before the Senate asking to be believed as the prosecution's witness. This is not an accusation of misconduct. This is not a declaration that Director Matibag fabricated evidence. This is a question of credibility. And credibility is never measured solely of what a witness says. It is measured by what he personally knows, how consistently he applies the law, and whether a reasonable observer can honestly conclude that he stands above political influence, institutional conflict, and even the appearance of bias. Because impeachment is too important to rest on assumptions. So the question is simple. Can Director Melvin Matibag truly be viewed as an impartial witness when his own household is linked to the initiation of this impeachment? Much of his testimony is derived from the work of others rather than his own personal knowledge. And the agency he leads has repeatedly found itself at the center of legal actions involving the very senators who now sit in judgment. In the end, credibility is not conferred by rank. It is earned by independence, consistency, and personal knowledge. Another day.
Wow, ganda ng pagkalatag, ano? Basta si Attorney Oliva ang nag-point of view, hindi ko pinapalampas yan. Sinishare ko at nagbibigay ako ng reaction comments. Totoo talaga. Credibility matters. And tayo na, taong bayan, netizens na ang maghusga kung credible ba siya o hindi. O kayo, i-comment nyo. Is he credible or not? Ako, personal opinion ko lang, ang kanyang credibility is halo zero. Wala. Kita mo naman sa cross-examination. Inamin niya, wala siyang personal knowledge. Nakakatawa yung tinanong siya ng isang batang, di ba, mas bata si Attorney Mark Binluan. Are you aware? Are you a lawyer? Yes, 29 years, pinagmayabang. Tapos nung tinanong na, are you aware of rules of evidence, article 130 ba yun? Then may ano pa, sub-paragraph. Can you refresh me on that? Pinagtawanan siya, lalo na si Attorney Rowena Guanzon. Sabi niya, ano ba yan? Matipag, nakakahiya ka. Dapat, NBI director ka, dahil trabaho mo mag-imbestiga, dapat kabisado mo na by heart ang rules of evidence. Siya hindi. Kaya to me, I'm sorry, opinion ko lang ito. Matibag has zero credibility. I don't know sa inyo kung anong i-rating nyo. To the prosecutors, siguro, bilib na bilib sila kay Director Matibag, but ako, wala. Sorry na lang. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel nito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel nito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Na anak ko diri sa balay ni Roslyn Tumluan. So taga Masimag, Purok 3, Tagbak, Talakag, Bukidnon. So muna ni siya ang itsura sa iyang atop nga mga buslot na kaayo. So muna ni siya ang natagaan namo og gero nga napulo ka buok nga digis. Sumpay lang daw ni ilang atop. So mag-atop na ni sila karon sa gitabang sa ilaha nga yero. So mauna ni ang yero nga gitabang. O karon managid sa pag-atop ang ginatabang nga yeros makita gid nato nga nakaatop na gid si.
Salamat sa Ginoo nga napulihan ako nga atop 30 na katuig. Ay no.
Oo, 30 na to katuig ante. Oo. So unsa ri ante ang inyong trabaho lang?
Musura.
Muso kung walay mamusuhan,
Kaon ra tawag kamuti.
kamote.
Lagyan nga pagtabang sa amo, hinaot unta nga magpadayon ng tabang sa amo.
Oo, salamat kayo, ante.
Salamat kaayo sa sin.
Mm.
Kakaayo akong atop. Dili na may maulanan. Salamat kaayo.